Good morning, you guys. It is Thursday for me. Friday for you guys. I am drinking ketones this morning. I am drinking Life is a Peach. It's a newer flavor. It tastes exactly like peach iced tea, and it reminds me of my grandma because she used to make peach iced tea all the time. So I like it. Anyways, I am on my way to work. It is nice out, but it's windy, so it's cool. So I have a sweater on today. This sweater, when I first bought it, was super tight on me, but I liked it because of the color. And so I think that was right at the beginning of me starting keto. And so I'm like, yeah, I'll eventually fit into this. And then I tried it on like, I don't know, a month or so ago. Hello, you can go. You have a green light. Thank you. And I tried it on like a month or so ago and it fits, so that's awesome. So now it feels like, I don't think it was quite built right because it has these little things in the thing in the sleeve for your thumb, but it still feels tight across the shoulders when I do that. I really hope I'm not doing 40 all the way to work. And yeah, so anyways, I really like it. It's cute and it's just all one color. It's just all this color, so. But yeah, so anyways, I am going to, I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner tonight yet. I'm gonna probably plan that while I'm waiting for customers. Boy, we are doing 40 all the way to work. Oh yay, he's churning. Thank goodness. Okay. So, anyways, I still don't know what we're having, and I had some leftovers from last night's dinner. So I have some shrimp left over, and then I have the package. I decided like I was gonna do zucchini noodles because we did have a package of zucchini noodles, but when I heated it up and then took it out of the package, it was like literally one serving, even though it probably wasn't. But I mean, vegetables, especially things like zucchini, you can have more than one serving and be fine. And so I'm like, it really doesn't feel like one serving or two servings. And I didn't want us to be hungry, so then I changed to the new pasta. And I put the zucchini noodles in with the shrimp that I made extra. So you couldn't have gone behind me? Come on. Jesus, people are stupid. Yep, there are in and out here. Wow, today is special. Or maybe I just don't have the tolerance for people. I'm not sure. I guess it could be that. Wow, let's go right behind me. I'm backing up. That's awesome. So, anyways, I may have that for lunch, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna plan out dinner first and then see what I have, because I do have 14 pieces of shrimp, so that's a lot of protein. So, yeah, and then I don't know, I put my macros on the end of yesterday's video, And I don't know if you noticed, but I switched back a couple days ago to just plain keto numbers instead of high protein keto. I want to try and switch it up every once in a while just to change what my body is getting. So I'm just back on normal keto numbers. And yeah, so we will see how that goes. I'm gonna give it like 3 weeks, I think, before I decide. Maybe before the next reboot, if I feel like I am struggling with it, because I do feel like I do better on high protein keto. But if I feel like I'm struggling with it, then I'll switch back to high protein keto. But I am going to give it quite a few weeks just to see how things go and how my body goes. I did change up my macros because I'm at 198, and so it was about time to change up my macros and stuff. So anyways, I probably should go and get the trailer hooked up and all the things. So I will see you guys later when I eat. Hi guys, I'm just popping on before I do my dinner, what I ate for dinner, or lunch, I guess. I'm going to be going to Calgary tomorrow, and so I'm not too sure how much I'm going to be filming. I got a call this afternoon that my uncle passed away, and so I'm going to go be with my mom. And while we will be eating keto as much as we can, I'm going to try and keep her on track over the weekend at least. I don't know how much I'm going to film, so we will see. But I just wanted to pop on and let you guys know that, so that if you don't see a video from me other than today's video for a few days, that is where I'll be. So anyways, I will see you guys when I eat. Hey guys, so here's lunch. I'm having the leftover shrimp, and I'm having the zoodles that I cooked last night, and a little bit of butter, and then a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese to go on top, and that is it for lunch. So yeah, I will see you when I have dinner. Hey guys, so I have about another hour before Chris gets home, and then we're gonna go to Wendy's because it's gonna be late night and I just don't really feel like cooking. So we have to go to the stadium to prepare all the stuff that I would prepare on Saturday so that I don't have to be there. So I'm just having some 000 yogurt, and I added a tablespoon of the salted caramel mocha into it, and I just kind of whipped it around and then I threw it in this bowl. So anyways, I'm just gonna eat this while I wait. Like I said, Chris is not home until 9:30. It's 8:30 now, and I just can't wait any longer. I'm really hungry, so I want to eat this before I start snacking and start getting off track, because I feel like eating all the things, and I'm really trying very, very, very hard to stay on track. So anyways, I'm gonna eat this, and then I will see you when we grab dinner. Hi guys, so we just stopped at Wendy's for a quick bite. I'm just having my usual Baconator with lettuce and tomato, and that's it. That'll be it for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you the next time I upload. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.